Hello friends, if you've seen my last video, perfect, and you know what's going on and why I'm currently stuck in the Blue Mountains. In case you missed my last video, I bought a camper van exactly 10 days ago. I was super proud, camped on the beach in Sydney for a few days and then drove off to the Blue Mountains with a friend to go hiking. Unfortunately, my car broke down on the way. It was leaking cooling water and I also couldn't start it anymore. And we had to spend almost 2 days at the gas station because no mechanic here had time to look at a car. In the meantime, I was towed away and my car is at a mechanic here in the Blue Mountains in Katoomba at the moment. And I have to wait a few more days until I know what's wrong with the car. Actually, I can't believe it. And it feels like a nightmare at the moment. Also, I can't return to my farm work job at the moment because I have to wait for the car. So I also don't earn any money at the moment. I have now checked into the YHA hostel, which only costs $25 a night per person and was also like the cheapest hostel so far in Australia. The hostel offers lots of hikes and trips. Unfortunately, the weather is a real disaster at the moment. It's super foggy and it won't stop raining. I spent my first day here with secondhand and vintage shopping and tried also like a few cafes and restaurants, and those are my favorites. The vintage salon was definitely the coolest store. I bought this black Kado top here for $10 and it's perfect for the next festival. I was also thinking about buying this jeans denim dress, but yeah, it didn't really fit me that good. And the Yesterday vintage store is also such a beautiful shop. They have many Harley Davidson vintage shirts there, and I was really in love with the shirt in the window. Unfortunately, it was around about $60 and actually I didn't want to spend that much on a shirt at the moment until I don't know how much the repair for my car will be. Savers is another nice store with lots of discount at the moment, as well as the Rivers shop, so definitely check this out. The owner is also such a sweetheart. She was joking with me about the car, the weather, and lots of other things. And then she gave me a big discount as well. So yeah, afterwards I was a little bit happier. Now I want to show you the cutest cafe in Katoomba, the Black Cockadoo Cafe. I'm so in love with cockadoos, by the way. Honestly, the coffee was so good and I also had a pound of chocolat. The cafe next to it, the Elephant Bean, is also a very nice place. You can eat sandwiches there with salmon or basil pesto. And another beautiful place is Auntie Ed's restaurant. It's like you travel back in time when you enter the restaurant, and they have amazing falafel bowls, vegan burgers, but also steak and schnitzel. So yeah, definitely check this out as well. Unfortunately, I didn't really film in the Auntie Ed's restaurant, but you can also find it on Google Maps. Hello everyone and greetings from Katoomba. Apparently I'm stuck here for around about a week. And I really try to make the best of it and try not to be too sad because my car's at the mechanic right now and they want to call me on Monday and see if they have an appointment on Monday, hopefully. Yeah, I just checked into the YHA hostel. It's pretty good, to be honest. They offer a lot of tours, but it's really cloudy and foggy at the moment, and yesterday it rained all the time. So I was basically stuck in my room and edited some videos. I just uploaded something yesterday. And yeah, today I want to do the famous Three Sister hike. I hope I can see something. It's super foggy, but basically I have nothing else to do. And this morning I was also speaking to a guy who offers rock climbing and abseiling tours. So maybe I do that in the next days. It's a little bit expensive. It's around about $335, but it looks really stunning. So it's abseiling from 3 meters height and rock climbing. Maybe I can show you some photos here. Yeah, maybe if you've done that before, you can give me some recommendations if it's worth it or not. But now I'm gonna take you to the Three Sisters and maybe a little bit through my day, because yesterday I also visited some cafes and secondhand stores. So I'm at one of the lookout points right now, but apparently you can see nothing. It's so foggy here, so I guess I have to come back another. So yesterday I already did some second-hand shopping, and there were also some stores which had a massive sale, and I just bought this jumper. It's actually super cozy and I paid $33 in total for this one and another piece. so it was very cheap, and the woman was also so nice. She wished me good luck with my car, and she was also joking a lot about the weather, because last week it was apparently 39 degrees here, like almost 40 degrees, and now it's 12 degrees and rainy and foggy. But she said I should appreciate my time here, and I also think in every bad thing you go through there's always something good. So actually I'm waiting for the good thing to happen now. Like last year I had a bad motorcycle accident in the Philippines, but I met such nice guys there, so I think that was the good thing about that. So yeah, we will see what happens. Okay, after I just said this, I saw this wonderful, colorful parrot. I'm so sad that I didn't bring my camera, but I took some phone photos. So yeah, maybe I come back in the next days when the weather's a little bit better. You guys also heard about the butterfly effect, so like if certain things in life don't happen, other things would also not happen. I don't know if that makes sense, but I really believe in that, to be honest. If my car wouldn't be stuck here, maybe other things in my life would have gone different. So I'm really keen to see where the good thing in this thing is. I hope the weather is getting better though in the next days. I mean, I really appreciate this walk here, but it would have been way more beautiful if I had a better view.